Water is important to human body. We need to replenish the water our bodies need every day by drinking water. The safety of drinking water quality is related to the health of the masses. It is the basic guarantee for the people to enjoy a happy life. The state has always attached great importance to water quality safety. In the journey of providing clean, safe drinking water, laboratory testing plays a crucial role. Every drop counts. Water treatment facilities rely on rigorous testing to ensure that the water produced meets safety standards. By analyzing samples for contaminants, we can detect issues before they reach our taps. This vital work not only safeguards public health, but also builds trust in a water supply. In order to solve the problem of regional water quality testing, portable water quality comprehensive testing box is equipped. It can be used to detect turbidity, color, pH, free residual chlorine, odor and taste, permanganate index, total number of colonies, and total coliform groups, totally 9 indicators. So how exactly is this test box used? Please follow us to see the operation process of testing various indicators. Press the power button to turn on the instrument. 1. Take the water sample to the mug and cup. 2. Clean the cell. 3. Insert the prepared sample into the cell holder, and keep the mug on the cell, match with the mug on the machine. Cover the shielded cap. 4. Press read, and it will display the result in TU. Select color item 1. Take 12.5 ml of pure water and cover the cap. 2. Clean the cell. 3. Insert the prepared sample into the cell holder, and keep the mug on the cell, match with the mug on the machine. Cover the shielded cap. 4. Press 0, remove the cell and dry it. 5. Take out the cell, and replace the pure water with water sample. Six. Clean the cell. 7. Insert the prepared sample, cover the shielded cap. 8. Press read, and it will display the result in TU. Select pH item. 1. Take 10 ml of pure water and cover the cap. 2. Clean the cell. 3. Insert the prepared sample and cover the shielded cap. 4. Press 0, remove the cell and dry it. 5. Take out the sample cell and add 0.5 ml phenol red solution or 1. Shake upside down. Six. Clean the cell. 7. Insert the prepared sample, then cover the shielded cap. 8. Press read. Results are in Ng, LPH. Select free chlorine item. 1. Take 12.5 ml of pure water and cover the cap. 2. Clean the cell. 3. Insert the prepared sample, cover the shielded cap. 4. Press 0. Remove the cell and dry it. 5. Remove the cell and put 1 bag of DPD powder reagent into this cell. Six. Cap and rotate to mix until most powder dissolved. 2. Clean the cell. 7. Insert the prepared sample. Cover the shielded cap. 8. Press read. Results are in mg, LPH. Pour an appropriate amount of water into a clear conical bottle. Shake the water sample well, then look in bright light for anything visible to the naked eye. Smell the water from the mouth of the bottle. Take 100 ml of well-mixed water sample and place it in a 250 ml conical bottle. Add 5 ml of R1 reagent. Add another 10 ml of R2. Place the conical bottle into the boiling water. Water bath for 30 minutes. Remove the conical bottle, then add 10 ml of R3 reagent while it's still hot. Turn the digital titrator on. Select COD item. Fill the tube with R2 reagent. On a white background, the solution was titrated with R2 reagent until it was reddish. The end point of titration is when the solution is reddish. Melt the medium in a water bath. Remove the medium after it is completely melted and cool to about 45 degrees centigrade. Confirm that the medium is cooled to the appropriate temperature. Remove the sterile culture cotton over the alcohol lamp. Take 1 ml of water sample with a sterile straw. Add to a sterile petri dish above the alcohol lamp. Remove the plastic cap, tear off the metal ring packaging, and uncork the culture medium bottle. Over the alcohol lamp, pour about 15 ml of medium into the petri dish. Let the incubator heat up to 36 degrees centigrade. Open the incubator. After the culture machine solidifies, turn the petri dish and place it on the shelf. Incubate in a constant temperature incubator for 48 hours. In daily work, we pass the inspection results of the above detection indicators. Managers can objectively understand the basic situation of water quality and play a guiding role in the next step to do a good job in water quality safety management. Water testing is an important means to ensure water safety. It is hoped that all water supply management units will make good water quality testing this important threshold.